Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Komal, Amrita, and Vikas for joining in. We are on chapter number 13. Identify your key constraints from this beautiful book, Eat That Frog, that is talking about how to stop procrastinating. It is a beautiful chapter, and let's quickly dive into the chapter. I would love for you to, switch on your camera so that you can be 100% in the session while we will be doing the exercises along. Identify your key constraints. Concentrate all your thoughts on the task at hand. The sun's rays do not burn until brought to a focus. Isn't that so true? जब हम छोटे थे तो हम लोग ना पत्ते को रख के दिस क्या होता है उसको मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास के साथ ऐसे करके जलाते थे इफ यू रिमेम्बर। तो जिस पोर्शन पे सबसे फोकस लाइट पड़ती थी वो पोर्शन जलना वहां से जलना शुरू होता है। दैट इज हाउ वी नीड टू कंसंट्रेट ऑन ऑल आवर थॉट्स that are on our hand, but focus should be on one thing, that is your goal. Between where you are today and any goal or objective that you want to accomplish, there is one major constraint that must be overcome before you can achieve your major goal. Your job is to identify it clearly. So, whatever your goals are, chalo, in fact, wo aage bol hi raha hai. Ask yourself these questions. What is holding you back? First, I want you to, if you have a pen and paper, I want you to write what your goal is and where you are exactly at this point in time. And once you have done that, I would love for you to answer these questions that the author has given us. The first question is, what is holding you back? ऐसा क्या है जो आपको hold back कर रहा है from achieving your goal? Is it procrastination? Is it lack of skills? Is it your confidence? Is it your limiting beliefs, doubts, fears? What exactly is it? अगर पेन एंड पेपर है तो वो लिख लो. What sets the speed at which you achieve your goals? What sets the speed at which you achieve your goals? ऐसा क्या कर सकते हो आप जिसकी वजह से आप अपने जो गोल्स हैं वो जल्दी अचीव कर सको? Amrita, do we have you with us? What determines how fast you move from where you are to where you want to go? ऐसा कौन सा डिटर्मिनेंट है आपकी लाइफ में जो आप करो तो आपको वो फास्टेस्ट स्पीड में फ्रॉम दिस एंड टू दैट एंड ले जाए? And what?
सॉरी बट एक बार रिपीट करिए ना. मैं आई हैव नॉट
Hello,
रिटन.
Juhi. Thank you for joining
हेलो.
in.
यस.
Today we are talking about how the sun rays do not burn until you bring a focus towards whatever you're trying to burn, right? So we have to bring our focus towards what we are wanting to achieve. तो उसके अंदर आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि आप पहले तो लिख लो कि वेयर यू आर एंड वेयर यू वांट टू रीच, व्हाट इज द एंड गोल दैट यू वांट टू अचीव. And there are 4 or 5 questions that author has given us, which is asking what is holding you back. ऐसा क्या चीज है that is holding you back? Is it procrastination? Is it lack of skills? Is it confidence? Is it I don't know, limiting beliefs, doubts, fears? ऐसा क्या चीज है that is holding you back?
When you're saying these all the things, limiting beliefs, all these limiting beliefs, so what is coming in my mind is all the limiting beliefs. All. They're coming like fear, doubts, all are there. So it's not one could, because I'm not giving time. Like it maybe more introspection may be needed. So it is all combined. Fear, overthinking, comfort zone, doubts, confidence, procrastination, and lack of skills. I've written all.
Okay.
So, Karishma, do we have to write in a single area of life, or it should cover all the areas of life? Like uh, health,
Pick
I want
one,
to.
pick one goal at a time. When you're all sorted with that one goal, then pick the second goal.
Okay.
Always start with the first goal. One main goal that is your deepest desire that you want to achieve?
Suppose if I need to communicate with my husband, fear would be the first one which is coming up.
Mhm. Yes.
So I don't have now. I will not say all like comfort zone, confidence. It is about fear. Some type of fear I can see. Uh, it may be wrong, overlapping, like some maybe hidden behind some other things, but normally I see fear of someone.
Okay.
Like yeah.
कोई बात नहीं, लिखो. Let's see how does it go. What all does the author tell us to do about it?
And if I see for career, then comfort zone comes up.
Zone is never a problem, to be honest.
Yeah,
कंफर्ट जोन कभी प्रॉब्लम होती ही नहीं है.
right.
अगर डिजायर पक्की हो ना, तो आप कूद ही पड़ते हो.
Exactly. So must be other things, fear and
जितना मर्जी धक धक हो, अगर आपको कहीं पे स्पीकर बना दिया जाए, आप डरोगे, अंदर से कांप रहे होगे, पर फिर भी सामने से बोल ही दोगे जो बोलना है.
yeah.
हेलो मुस्कान, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग इन. Next question that I want you to reflect on is, what determines how fast you move from where you are to where you want to go? जहां पे आप हो, वहां से आपके एंड रिजल्ट पे पहुंचने के लिए व्हाट इज इट दैट डिसाइड्स, जो सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर यू टू हैव द स्पीड टू रीच देयर? जब ये लिख लोगे, what stops you or holds you back from eating the frog that can really make the difference, जो एक्चुअली में डिफरेंस क्रिएट कर देगा आपकी लाइफ में, ऐसा कौन सा फ्रॉग है जो आप नहीं खा रहे हो? दिल से एक्चुअली डेप्थ में जाके सोचो, क्योंकि इफ यू से what can be your reason, let's hear from you all कि आप लोगों की क्या ऐसे reasons है that is stopping you to take that one action that is like the massive, that 80% काम हो जाएगा, that is if you do it. What is it for you? क्या है मुस्कान? मुस्कान is very happy today, dancing mode.
Self-love, feeling loved.
Very good. Amazing.
Finally, I came into the session. I was on call. मैंने कहा phone रख के I just want to enter into the session now. And today I said no, I am just going.
How sweet. Thank you so much.
For me, the tough work is to make the webinar script, which I have delayed from last 1 month. हो जाना चाहिए था दिसंबर में, बट राइट नाउ इतना डिले हो चुका है दैट माय हेड हैज गॉट हैवी एंड आई सेड अब तो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं कर रही.
और वो मतलब प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट तो कर ही रहे थे, ओवर प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन स्टार्ट हो गया.
तो जैसे समबडी
ब्रेक
कॉल
इट डाउन.
तो वेबिनार दे रहे हैं कल एंड मुस्कान यू आल्सो प्रिपेयर योर स्क्रिप्ट एज लाइक अब नहीं, लेट मी गो विद द फ्लो, जो चल रहा है वो चल रहा है. बट दिस इज वन थिंग, इफ आई विल डू आई विल फील supremely blessed.
What are the steps to do that for you?
The steps to do that is to kind of make the presentation, which is the toughest thing for me. The reason why it is toughest because जब मैं अपने मेडिकल करियर में भी थी, सॉरी एज अ स्टूडेंट, एमबीबीएस स्टूडेंट ऑल्सो, अगर मुझे पीपीटी प्रेजेंट करनी होती थी मैं गूगल से डाउनलोड कर लेती थी और मैं वही सेम बोल देती थी. And my teachers used to scold me at that time also that Muskan, this is the Google PPT, don't fool your teacher. हमने सब कुछ देख रखा है.
नहीं, even before you make a PPT, what are the steps? I want you to start with the smallest step. What is that smallest step? Do you know the topic?
हाँ, I know the topic. I know the
Do you have the framework?
framework also. The only thing is I have to kind of see the script and I have to make my script. बस यहाँ पे resistance है.
सिर्फ PPT बनाना है, उसके लिए resistance.
बस उसके लिए रेजिस्टेंस है. If somebody will say me that Muskan go with the flow and speak something, I will go with the flow. But PPT पढ़ के बोल के देखना इतना प्रोफेशनल काम.
Then
ओहो.
why do you want to have a PPT?
Why I do want to have a PPT? Because I think this is the method people need visuals.
That is a better answer. So there are some people who are audio, some are visual, some are kinesthetic, right? उनके लिए हमारे को जरूरी है PPT होना. But how important is it for you?
For me, I think a whole different world will open for me.
And वो क्यों नहीं खोलना चाह रहे हो उस वर्ल्ड को?
Because there is resistance कि कौन PPT बनाएगा.
What does it take for you to make the PPT?
um, what I am thinking is कोई मेरे साथ बैठ जाओ 2 घंटे and I will make it आराम से.
Why do you need somebody else to sit with you?
Because I feel कुछ चीजें ना लाइक इन द थिंग्स, जैसे कल मैं बात कर रही थी कि मेरे लिए LMS सिस्टम इज सबसे डिफिकल्ट, बट आई डिड दैट फर्स्ट. सिमिलरली द सेकंड डिफिकल्ट थिंग फॉर मी इज टू मेक द PPT, एंड आई
If
थिंक
I tell you, I will pay you 10,000 rupees for making your own PPT, will you do it?
आराम से.
What if I tell you that you have to pay me 10,000 rupees if you do not make your PPT by tonight?
Oh God.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Seriously?
Let's do it. Let's hear it from Juhi. What is it that is stopping you?
I think
मैं अभी
yeah,
जाके मैं PPT बना लेती हूँ.
you are actually awesome, Karishma. मतलब this is I think most of the coaches are facing this. जो अभी आपने क्लैरिटी की है. मेरे लिए भी कंसिस्टेंसी है. प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन मतलब ऐसे नहीं है मैं नहीं करना चाहती हूँ एंड इट इज लाइक हो जाता है. बट देन आई नो इट व्हेन वी आर इन कोचिंग इट कम्स टू एक्सक्यूजेस.
Juhi, एक
तो
second. Juhi, एक second. Muskan, if you have to leave this room to do whatever it takes to make your PPT, do it right away.
Bye, people.
नहीं तो 10,000 मेरे अकाउंट में आ रहे हैं. All right. Yes, Juhi, let's hear it from you.
I'll come at 10 and I'll show the PPT. पक्का.
Good job. I love it. Hmm.
यही है कि जैसे कि कल बताया आपको मैंने कि आई वांट टू सेट माय कोचिंग बिजनेस. और मैं चाहती हूँ कि मीन्स इट शुड बी लाइक इट शुड गो इन फ्लो. जैसे दूसरे कोचेस होते हैं दे हैव कंसिस्टेंट लीड्स. मतलब अ सक्सेसफुल कोच. बट जो उसके लिए मेन स्टेप्स हैं even though I'm doing little things but I think I need to do more of consistency. And procrastination आप बोल सकते हो. मुझे actually I thought of asking you today that initially I used to wake up early. और मैं मतलब मेरा पूरा रूटीन फिक्स्ड होता था लाइक एक्सरसाइज मतलब पूरा जो भी मॉर्निंग रूटीन होता है वो. बट सिंस लास्ट 6 to 7 months इट्स बीन दैट आई एम नॉट एबल टू वेक अप. मतलब बच्चों के लिए उठती हूँ उनको भेज के फिर सो जाती हूँ ड्यू टू आई डोंट नो व्हाट. बिकॉज मेरी नींद पूरी नहीं होती है. वो पता है कि मैं 1-1:30 सोती हूँ तो पहले लेकिन मैं उठ जाती थी. अभी मेरे से नहीं होता है जिसकी वजह से आई एंड अप फीलिंग गिल्टी कि आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग. एक्सरसाइज भी आधा होता है आधा नहीं होता है. सो इज इट अ प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन या मुझे लगता है दैट माई हेल्थ नीड अटेंशन. मतलब पहले मैं 4 घंटे सो के अपना सब कुछ कर देती थी. बट अभी मेरी बॉडी मुझे साथ नहीं देती है कि मैं सिर्फ 4 घंटे सो के और पूरा दिन काम मतलब पूरा दिन नहीं. आफ्टरनून आई हैव अ नैप बट स्टिल मतलब आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू व्हाट आई वांट टू डू.
Do you have a good night routine?
नाइट रूटीन एज इन
पहली बात तो what is your end goal? What is it that you want to achieve?
सक्सेसफुल कोच.
कोच। ओके, तो उसके लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा?
उसके लिए पूरा फोकस कोचिंग पे देना पड़ेगा, विच आई एम नॉट गिविंग 100%।
जब 100% दे ही नहीं रहे हो तो पहले दे तो दो, उसके बाद क्वेश्चन राइज करेगा।
बट वही है, 100% कैसे दूं? मतलब आप, वी हैव किड्स, फैमिली। मेरे हस्बैंड का रूटीन बिल्कुल अलग है, ही इज नाइट एंड आई एम मॉर्निंग, बट टू एडजस्ट टू हिज थिंग्स, मतलब मेरा खुद का सब रह जाता है।
हम्म।
तो मीन्स ही एक्चुअली कम्स वेरी लेट फॉर डिनर, तो मेरा रात को पैकअप करने में लेट होता है, देन मीन्स
व्हाट यू कैन डू इज जूही, सुबह से लेके रात तक पूरा ना हर एक घंटे को ट्रैक करना शुरू करो। व्हाट हैव यू डन इन दैट 1 hour? यू विल
ओके।
स्टार्ट फाइंडिंग योर टाइम वेस्टर्स। जब टाइम वेस्टर्स पता चल जाएंगे ना, 3 days, डू इट फॉर 3 days एंड यू विल नो अ पैटर्न for yourself. And when you get to know that pattern, then you have to bring some shift there.
बट करिश्मा, पैटर्न कैसे होता है ना कि आइदर मीन्स इवन दो आई ट्राई टू शेड्यूल थिंग, मुझे ये करना है, अभी मैं सुबह से रेडी होके बैठी हूँ, बट कुक सेड शी इज नॉट कमिंग, तो मेरे 2 घंटे किचन में ही चले गए एंड आई गॉट फ्री जस्ट नाउ। तो ये अलग से चैलेंजेस आते हैं, जो कभी बच्चा ठीक नहीं है, कभी कुछ, तो मुझे पता है कि इट इज अ पैटर्न, बट हाउ टू ओवरकम दैट?
Life will happen no matter what. Right? Right. Life is
राइट।
going to happen. And other coaches जो भी successful भी हैं, उनकी life also happens. श्रुति चौधरी की भी कई बार शेफ में वो कुक नहीं आती है, and she's standing in the kitchen. 15 minutes का उनके सेशन में से ब्रेक है, wherein she's going in the kitchen cooking something, coming back doing the session, फिर से ब्रेक आया, she's going and cooking. Everybody faces that. What we need is conviction towards it. सच्ची में करना है. We as women especially will be leading not a single life. We will be having a and life. बीवी भी हूं, मम्मी भी हूं, कोच भी हूं, बेटी भी हूं, बहू भी हूं, सब कुछ हूं. I
राइट।
think Vikas will also be able to, help you here beautifully. Let's hear what does Vikas have to say.
Yes, thanks, Karishma, for sharing your insight. And I'm aware that most of the people are struggling with this issue of prioritizing things in their life. But I want you to, since we are talking about focus, I want you to change your focus from why I can't do it to how I can do it. I challenge you to come up with the answer as to what are the different ways you can think of to run your business, coaching business successfully. And for a moment, treat it as if you are to come up with a suggestion and you are to give advice to someone else. The same advice that you will give to others, give that to yourself. And this is a very big myth that it has to be in a particular way, only then I can be a good coach. Let me share with you, most of my sessions are without presentations. Most of my sessions are impromptu. If you keep this bottleneck as or a hindrance in mind, that I have to prepare presentation well, I have to dress up very nicely so as to delay things for eternity, then things are not going to happen. Just whatever resources you have in the moment, just start showing up with that. And gradually, as you will become comfortable in doing what you are already doing, then you can start tweaking, fine tuning, improving. This happens later. But for most of us, we do it the other way around. And also, I think when I talk about prioritizing, it has also something to do with drawing boundaries, Ask yourselves what is truly important for me. Is it the relationship? Is it the coaching? Or can it happen that I can take care of relationship also and I can manage my coaching as well? Let me share with you one example so as to drive home the point. Most of the video that I shoot, it is during afternoon when I go for the walk. I take care of my walking steps and I take care of my posting, making up video, attending calls like this. So all I do parallelly. So if you have to take care of, suppose your family, give quality time to your spouse, then you can work together at the same time so that you can take care of your physical health also and also talk to each other parallelly. So think of ways and means where you can club the two seemingly different activities together. This will give you uh, time for those activities which you are struggling to do now. So just flip the question: why I can't do it to how I can do it, and you will come up with answers of your own. And focus is a big challenge, particularly in today's times when we are bombarded with so much of distraction. Like we are scrolling Instagram reels endlessly, mindlessly. This consumes most of our time. I say focus is even more important a resource than your energy and time. Because what you do with the energy and time is even more important than energy and time. Agree? So just open up your mind to the possibilities and you will definitely come up with something.
Thank you. It was really helpful.
Great.
Thank you. Thank you
फायदा
so
होता है
much.
ना, हाँ फायदा होता है सबके आने से. कोमल, do you have anything to say?
Yeah, I can just agree to what Joey is saying. I have no idea, but 80% I feel a women can go through such a situation. It's not, that is my idea. I feel this is my opinion that 80%. Because we also, somehow it is in my mind also that how to balance it. Maybe I have to see other women who are doing it. Two or three things together. I have to bring those examples. Because if my sister, she is doing office, she's not doing cooking. She has never done cooking. Like from 20 years, she don't go to kitchen. Maid will come, phone will come, and that's it. We have seen those images. And yeah, mostly that is the way. And for then what we do, we don't know how to balance it. And this is I'm also facing the same perplex situation. In my mind, it is like career or my relationship, or if career, then this I don't know how to manage. I can only choose one, or spirituality. If career is there, then I feel I cannot do these book clubs or anything. So I am also the one person,
Highly
one.
spiritual. Let me tell you, it is highly spiritual to serve people.
Yes,
If you serve with the intent of serving.
you didn't get my.
So,
I was saying something else. I was saying if I am doing like my job, Vedantu, that teaching job, I will not be able to do these things. That is in my mind. Again, the limiting belief is coming up. I'm not saying this is obviously spiritual. This comes under spiritual. I'm not saying that really Aarti Puja, that is a religious thing. This all I'm counting as spiritual work. So I'm saying these work will be on hold. पहले ही mind में आ गया कि if I'm starting taking a job, because I've done that pattern. When I was in job, I was not doing self-care. That's why I was getting bored of that life. I was just fed up of that Komal as a bahu, right? So who was just like whole day I was not getting time for myself. So that created an issue, boundary, which Vikasji was saying, boundaries. So if I would tell to my husband, so things happen. So we have to somehow know. It's see, and relationship is quite important for all of us. Like if Vikasji was saying to Juhi that you have to see what is important. Both are highly important. Now when I'm a
So what
little bit.
happens is कि आप focus देखो, there is no balance, there is always harmony. जो चीज लैक कर रही है उसको पकड़ के चल लो, तब तक हल्का सा ये नीचे जाएगा, फिर इसको पकड़ के चल लो. It's like our
Yes.
lives is like a wave.
Yes, this can be the answer. Like that moment when I was in that situation, maybe they needed me to be that way. That moment, Komal can think, okay, so what you are doing this like you did in your life. I think somehow. I know that thing. That time you are saying, be it phases of life that don't think you are lagging behind. Like that time they needed, like mother-in-law was not healthy enough. She had some issues. So maybe husband was thinking that he need that. But he was not virtually, he was not saying verbally.
Releasing.
So I thought, if he's not saying, I could not by myself. I was doing work, but the thing, career also, that contradiction. I was like, Mama, can you help me one time cooking? It was going on this way. Like if I'm doing three times, I needed someone to come. If maybe hire a cook. Simple thing. Maybe hire a cook. For me, it is simple, but for some families, it is not very simple.
Exactly, because you had seen your sister having a cook.
Yeah.
She was working. You were expecting कि मेरी भी cook लग जाए ना, मैं काम कर लूँ.
And he was shouting, cook, cook karte rahe. What is this? Not? मतलब he, because he doesn't have that idea. For his family, they may not like it, orthodox and each and everything. So those are the differences come up
Tell
for.
me, Komal, why aren't you at your goal already?
I loved how, in which way you motivated Muskan. So I was like, oh my God, I should have such a person to push me that hard. And maybe like clarity calls and one-to-one things, so that then Komal can see reaching heights. I was just
Komal
imagining,
has
I
been
was,
very consistent with, doing her things. Certificates मिल गए थे एक दिन में. अगले दिन, अभी
yeah,
कल वो फॉर्म सेट हो गया.
it is happening, but I'm not able to see it is happening. I should appreciate that thing, give credit. But it is happening like a slow wave. It's not happening like the tide.
छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स, हर रोज लेके सीढ़ी जल्दी ऊपर चढ़ी जाएगी इंस्टेड ऑफ जंपिंग
But
लीप दे सकते.
I'm doing these things. I'm not helping mama to in cooking. And people say you should be ready if you're going back to your husband house. You should know little bit cooking. I knew little bit, little more than little.
But now, Harmony, it does not take 24 hours to fill a form. It takes only maximum 3 hours. 5 घंटे लग जाएंगे, उससे ज्यादा नहीं लगते हैं.
Karishma, we should design a course of time management, which can help Julie,
Yes,
which can help Komal, which can help other ladies, and
yes, I'll do.
for how to like Vikas, you were also giving ideas. You were also giving ideas. So how can we balance such problems? Maybe
We shall do it soon.
workshop of time management, or some beautiful name we can give, like how to balance and how to break all these limiting beliefs. My goal at the moment is, yeah, today again I have see, I filled that form, but it is not completely done. I say,
Today you
still
need to break down those certificates को, वो थोड़ा छोटा करना है ना फाइल को.
हाँ,
Do it
हाँ,
today.
yeah, that thing was left,
अगर नहीं
compressing the
किया ना,
size.
अगर नहीं किया,
10,000
मैं
it's
अमीर
coming.
होने वाली हूँ. तुम
And
लोग
then,
मत करना, बिल्कुल मत करना, कोई काम नहीं करेगा. मेरे को अमीर करो.
and then literally donated that amount because someone had to go to Prayagraj and he was asking. I was like, यहाँ पूछ लो ना करिश्मा and विकास से भी. मतलब I was like, if people can help, and he just astrologer. He was like, ma'am, help कर दो, पुण्य मिलेगा. Old people have to go, please. Maybe it's like he has taken and he may give back, but I'm thinking it's even if it goes, then it will be treated as a donation. But I just gave him randomly without thinking, मतलब with thinking obviously, with logic brain, but
मतलब कि कोमल can avoid the breaking down of whatever the compressing of her file. She can avoid it and give Karishma 10,000 rupees by tonight. I will be happy. That is a challenge for you tonight. आज
or
तक कोई
or
जाए.
what, or it will be like, what is the priority? Priority would be filling the form.
Yes, exactly. And that's what I want you to do. अभी हो
Yeah.
गया, 3 4 5 दिन हो गए हैं इसको होते हुए. Amrita, let's hear it from you, sweetheart. Amrita.
When Vikasji and Juhi were talking or giving examples, I was just imagining myself कि इतना push कर दिया, मैं stage पे खड़ी हुई हूँ and literally doing things. मतलब जो हमारा laid back attitude है वो खत्म हो गया अगर.
If I share with you honestly, deep down we do not feel the effect our actions will have or the consequences of not doing it. We think आज नहीं किया तो कोई बात नहीं, कल कर लेंगे, क्योंकि हमको consequence तो मिल नहीं रहा आज के आज.
Yes.
Yes.
एक्चुअली डेडलाइंस भी नहीं है ना, अगर पता हो कि
हाँ
कल नहीं अगर सबमिट हुआ तो खत्म, अगला एक साल गया।
हाँ
एक करिश्मा 31st तक है, फिर एक साल गया।
हाँ
नाउ
तो
व्हाट डू यू वांट?
अब
एक साल
4 days,
बचा ना,
अभी भी 4 days दिख रहे हैं ना, 20, 29, 30,
अब
31।
नहीं है, टुडे इज द एंड डे, लास्ट डे, अदरवाइज 10,000 भी गया। हम्म।
You know the psychology I had said in the morning session. If people are driven by their desire to move away from pain at any cost, or they desire to move towards pleasure.
Yes,
And pain is more intense as compared to pleasure.
yes.
So we will do everything in our capacity to move away from pain. That's what Charisma is doing, setting the consequences immediately. If you do not complete the form today itself, then you will have to pay 10,000 rupees by today
देखो,
itself.
मैं पहले पहले मैंने प्लेजर भी दिखाया था मुस्कान को।
हाँ
अगर मैं
हाँ
10,000 दूंगी तो करोगी? हाँ हाँ, पर अगर तुमको देना पड़ेगा तो शी वाज ओ फिर तो जरूर करूंगी। दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्लेजर एंड द पेन।
yes. And Komal, talking about the dilemma that you are facing, whether it is the relationship or the fear of rejection, you have difference or conflict in values. On the one hand, you want relationship. On the other hand, you have fear of rejection. Now ask yourself, which is more important? Moving towards the pleasure of being in a relationship, which I truly want, or trying to move away from the fear of rejection. What is it giving you ultimately? It is taking you away from what you truly want. So prioritize and write down your hierarchy of values and make it intentional to keep relationship on the topmost priority. Something like, what is truly most important for me in my life right now is to take care of my relationship. My relationship is my utmost priority over anything else for that matter, be it fear of rejection, be it fear of getting hurt, anything. Just let it be your affirmation.
एंड सच्ची बात ये है कि अगर fear of rejection is smaller than the joy of being in that relationship, this fear will become so small कि अगर reject कर भी दिया ना, you will say I'll try again, I'll try again, I'll try again.
One
Yes.
exercise that you can do is to write down at least 10 benefits that you will get when you will go into the relationship. And also write down the 10 losses that you are going to suffer
Yes.
when you keep yourself away from that
I
relationship.
think Karishma also gave me such homework and I did not complete till now. Fears of 50. She had
So
told me to
it
write 50.
is very important because our mind and human psychology is like this. We move away from pain and we move towards pleasure. So add emotion to it, add certainty to it, and see yourself being into that relationship, talking to your husband, just going together, walking together, all those things you can dream of.
When I think, suddenly the fear comes, like, what if this thing happens? What if this? What if this? Yeah, that only you are telling. Imagine the different, again, fear, that moment, I think we can tackle later on. That is just imaginary. What if all is imaginary and delusional?
पहले अगर आपको पता होगा ना fear क्या है, you can plan if this fear comes, how and what am I going to tell myself to overcome that fear? How will I tackle that fear?
Right. Fear of fight is major in me. Like,
Fight
yeah.
होगी, फिर what is Komal going to do? अगर fight होगी तो is what you need to plan before you go.
Yeah. Learning, what I am trying to do or learn is just keep quiet or take space. When someone is angry, you should know how to, it's like a boundary that you can remain quiet or go to another room, or like it doesn't affect that trigger which is happening to another person. Why it becomes a trigger for you? You are not being insulted. चिपकेगा क्या, करिश्मा?
कुछ नहीं चिपकता है. And moreover, when somebody's emotions go high, whatever they are saying does not make any sense.
Yeah, such a thing or such small lessons, if we can imbibe. That I'm daily saying to my mom, चिपकेगा क्या?
मुझे नहीं चिपकने वाला. I have all the oil over me. It's going to slide off.
Yeah. So we are learning in this way that what someone else is saying, bullshit about us. You are deaf, you don't work, you don't do. We should have such a big aura around us. We can achieve heights if we have that. If someone is having Juhi, Komal, Vikas ji, some are already having. And if we can do coaching, we can do this. Even husband is saying, okay, okay, don't do it, whatever you want. No fights, nothing. Yeah,
चलो
amazing.
आगे पढ़ते हैं. चैप्टर तो अभी स्टार्ट ही हुआ है. हमारा सेशन का टाइम खत्म होने वाला है. All right. These are some of the most important questions you will ever ask and answer achieving high level of personal productivity and effectiveness. Whatever you do have to do, there is always a limiting factor that determines how quickly and well you get it done. Your job is to study the task and identify the limiting factors or constraints within you. You must then focus all your energies on elevating that single choke point. सिर्फ एक को पकड़ लो, the one that needs the maximum focus and you are not at all giving your focus on it, and start working on it. You will be from here to there. Identify the limiting factor. In virtually every task, large or small, there is a single factor that sets the speed at which you achieve the goal or complete the job. What is it? Concentrate your mental energies on that one key area. This can be the most productive use of your time and talents. This constraint may be a person whose help or decision you need, a resource that you require, a weakness in some part of the organization, or something else. But it is the limiting factor always there, and it is always your job to find it. अगर ये मिल गया है तो बहुत बढ़िया, you know how to work on it. And if not, then sit with yourself today and find it. For example, the purpose of a business is to create and keep a customer. By doing this in sufficient quantities, the company makes a profit and continues to grow and flourish. In every business, there is a limiting factor or a choke point that determines how quickly and well the company achieves this purpose. It may be the marketing, the level of sales, or the sales force itself. It may be the cost of operation or the method of production. It may be the level of cash flow or the costs. The success of the company may be determined by the competition, the customers, or the current marketplace. One of these factors, more than anything else, determines how quickly the company achieves its goals of growth and profitability. What is it? The accurate identification of the limiting factor in any process and the focus on that factor can usually bring about more progress in a shorter period of time than any other single activity. It's like आप कुछ भी करते रहो, but आप वो एक काम नहीं कर रहे हो, तो you are going to delay the process. आप करते रहो, पर ये तो कर नहीं रहे हो. ठीक है, यहाँ से यहाँ, यहाँ से यहाँ, यहाँ से यहाँ, यहाँ से यहाँ, यहाँ से यहाँ पहुंच जाओगे किसी दिन वहां पे जहां पहुंचना है. But the moment you do this job, you're going to skyrocket towards your goal. Now you have to find out what is that one area that you are not doing and what is it that you need actually to do. The 80-20 rule applied to constraints. The 80-20 rule also applies to the constraints in your life and in your work. What this means is 80% of the constraints, the factor that are holding you back from achieving your goal, are internal. They are within yourself, within your own personal qualities, abilities, habits, disciplines, and competencies. Isn't that a bulb on? 80% हमारे अंदर है.
Absolutely, Balban.
Or they are contained within your own company or organization. Only 20% of the limiting factors are external to you or to your organization. Only 20% are the outside in the form of competition, market, governments, or other organizations.
Something that is striking me very deep is the confidence. We take this word very lightly. बट दैट एनर्जी विच आई एम गेटिंग और फीलिंग, अगर वो बहुत बहुत जबरदस्त वाला कॉन्फिडेंस विच आई वाज यूजिंग द वर्ड ऑरा और एवरीथिंग, दैट कैन सरपास एनीथिंग. somehow I'm feeling that thing कि if it can be called passion, words can be similar. Word is not a limiting word, all things hide behind it. Confidence is equal to that passion to work, and you don't care what others are saying. You are just moving ahead. It's all about that. Even if you are dressing this way, that way, nothing will matter because you know what you have to do.
No, I know. I would normally give the example of Vikas here. Vikas knows he wants to do two things are on his mind: his health as well as his posting on the social media.
Right.
It does not matter what people around him is thinking कि यार ये बंदा चलता भी जा रहा है और वीडियो भी बनाया जा रहा है. There are so many people out there who have commented to him कि यार तुम चलते फिरते क्यों बनाते हो, आपको इतना पसीना आ रहा होता है, आप बना रहे हो वीडियो, आप लेटे हुए हो, बीमार हो, तो you are like sitting
It is
and
as simple as child is going to school and पत्थर रास्ते में आ रहा है या क्या सड़क टूटी हुई थी कैसे थी, वो स्कूल पहुंच जाएगा ना. एंड ही डजंट केयर कि मैं कौन से शूज डाल के आया हूँ, क्या सॉक्स डाली, नथिंग. एनीवेज वी कैन थिंक लाइक या. सो इफ यू नो योर गोल, टोटल फोकस, then you know it.
focus is the key.
Focus. Ma'am was also saying nothing OCD, nothing that, Komal, focus. Yeah.
जब आप घोड़े के साइड पे ऐसे दो वो लगे होते हैं ना फ्लैप्स, व्हाई इज इट? सो दैट डजंट लुक हियर एंड देयर, सीधा देख सीधा चल. Your key constraints can be something small or not particularly obvious. Sometimes it requires that you make a list of every step in the process and examine every activity to determine exactly what is it that is holding you back. Sometimes it can be a single negative perception or objection on the part of the customers that is slowing down the entire sales process. Sometimes it is the absence of a single feature that is holding back the growth of sales of a product or a service line. For example, अगर आपकी coaching के अंदर ये example लिया जाए, तो if you sit and write all the steps that are required, अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो this is what you can do. That is what Brian Tracy is telling you कि आप उसको चेक करो, एक एक काम को लिखो and then see कि ये मैं कर रही हूँ नहीं कर रही हूँ, ये कर रही हूँ नहीं कर रही हूँ, what is it that is remaining that I need to do. या आप अपने other coach friends के साथ you can discuss, take help and you can understand कि ये गलत जा का रही हूँ. Right? I think Vikas has something to share because of which he has turned on his camera.
I will share with you simple strategy that you can follow. Right? What are the things that are under your control? What are the things that are beyond your control? First question is, ask this question. In any given situation, the first question that I will ask is, what are the things that are under my control? What are the things that are beyond my control? And second question that you will ask is, what are the action steps I can take that are within my control? Now, the third question that you will ask is, out of all these action items that I have listed down, what are those 20% action steps that will lead to 80% of the results? What are those 20% action items out of the whole complete list that will help me to achieve 80% of my goals?
Gold round.
And fourth step, this is the most important one. Jump into action immediately within a span of 5 seconds. Move yourself physically, because the mind will play trick with you in innumerable ways, in the form of justification, projection, rationalization, fear, reward, so on and so forth. So before the mind plays trick with you, you will physically move your body, knowing fully well that these are the action steps, these are the action items that will yield 80% of the results.
And we have read these rules in the 80-20 wala chapter जो पहले आया था, 4th या 5th chapter था. Right? Thank you, Vikas, for your share. That makes a lot of
Yes.
sense.
Thank you so much. Today's session is really amazing. Lots to learn.
Look into your company honestly. Look within your boss, your co-workers, and members of your staff to see if there is a key weakness that is holding you and your company back, which is acting as a brake on the achievement of your key goals. If it is a skill set that you need to achieve, do that. क्योंकि हमारी कंपनी हम खुद है, right? Whatever it is taking for you to stop yourself, जिस चीज की वजह से आपकी लाइफ की सक्सेस में ब्रेक लग रही है, start working on it. Look into yourself. In your own life, you must have the honesty to look deeply into yourself for the limiting factor or limiting skill that sets the speed at which you achieve your own personal goals. Successful people always begin the analysis of constraint by asking the question, what is it in me that is holding me back? What is it in me that is holding me back? They accept complete responsibility of their lives and look at themselves for both the cause and the cure of their problem. ये प्रॉब्लम क्यों है, इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या है, जब समझ में आ जाए उसके ऊपर काम करो with speed. You know how Vikas has just said, कि jump into the action right away. Keep asking, what sets the speed at which I get the result I want? What sets the speed at which I get the result I want? Strive for accuracy. The definition of constraint determines the strategy that you use to elevate it. The failure to identify the correct constraint or the identification of the wrong constraint can lead you off in the wrong direction. You can end up solving the wrong problems. मैं बोलती जा रही हूँ मेरे को डर रहा है, मेरे को डर रहा है, मेरे को डर रहा है, मेरे को डर रहा है. डर का आप वो कर रहे हो, ये नहीं पता कि यार मेरे को डर से ज्यादा रिलेशनशिप चाहिए का प्लेजर है. A major corporation, a client of mine, was experiencing declining sales. They concluded that the major constraint was the sales force and the sales management. They spent an enormous amount of money reorganizing the management and retraining the salespeople. They later found that the primary reason that their sales were down was a mistake made by an accountant that had accidentally priced their product too high relative to their competition in the marketplace. Now, अगर आप industry में देखते हो, तो you have to keep a check as to what is it, what are the price points that people are doing, what are the viral stuff that people are doing. ये ना हो ना कि आप out of the box कुछ ही कर रहे हो and it is not giving you result and you are still saying कि हाँ मैं तो अपना रास्ता खुद नया निकालूंगी. It does not happen that way. You have to keep an eye on all the successful people in the same area that you are wanting to work in, and see what are they doing and do a little better than them. Once they revamped their pricing, their sales went back up and they returned to profitability. Behind every constraint or choke point, once it is located and alleviated successfully, you will find another constraint or limiting factor. So, कहते हैं ना कि learning is a process, it never stops. You are a lifelong learner. Likewise, आपकी लाइफ में कोई ना कोई कंस्ट्रेंट रहने ही वाला है. जब एक सॉल्व हो जाए, फिर दूसरे को पकड़ो, फिर तीसरे को पकड़ो, एक एक करके पकड़ के बढ़ते जाओगे तो you will be skyrocketing towards your goal. Whether it is getting to work on time in the morning, or building a successful career, there are always limiting factors and bottlenecks that set the speed of your progress. Your job is to find them and to focus your energies in elevating them quickly as possible. सिर्फ एक पॉइंट को पकड़ लो आज के दिन में, उसके ऊपर काम करना शुरू करो. Often, starting off your day with the removal of the key bottleneck or constraint fills you full of energy and personal power. It propels you into following through and completing the job. And there is always something. Often, elevating a key constraint or a limiting factor is the most important frog you could eat at that moment. Any questions? भाई सारे ऐसे ही बैठ गए हो.
Actually, yeah, the last lines you were reading, and I just went somewhere else. My mind went somewhere else. I was into when my brother sister they were studying too hard. That they were in some loop of not going to marriages. One marriage invitation has come up, and I'm thinking, should I go or just be focused on my work? So it's like that. Then I can think like when they were doing their quota study, this IIT Delhi he had to crack. So how brother goes into his own zone, 200 rank he got both the times, ISB also and that also. ISB was also, yeah, he was a topper in ISB also. So how he must be having that focus, extreme focus to complete the task sometime. And now when he's so, then he forgets about health and those things. But I can see his tendency that when he wants, he is able to completely bring that focus.
Full focus into this thing.
Then he would not think of kitchen or this TV. Obviously, all
यार
the
हम
students.
जब कोई काम करने बैठते हैं, सच्ची में हमारा फ्लो फ्लो कहते हैं ना, फ्लो स्टेट आ जाता है. दैट फ्लो स्टेट इज द फोकस. ठीक है. दैट एट दैट टाइम यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द टाइम. यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. तो हमारे को भूख प्यास पानी कुछ चाहिए, वॉशरूम जाने की जरूरत नहीं होती, कुछ नहीं होती. आप काम कर रहे हो एंड यू डोंट वांट एनीबॉडी टू डिस्टर्ब यू ऑन दैट वर्क ईदर. आप जब तक डिस्ट्रैक्टेड होते हो तब तक आपको दिखता है कि अरे मेरे पास पेन नहीं है, ओहो पेन नहीं है इसलिए मैं नहीं लिखूंगी. पेंसिल पड़ी है पर मैं पेंसिल से नहीं, मेरे को तो पेन ही चाहिए. व्हाट ब्रिंग्स दैट डिस्ट्रैक्शन? आपको वॉशरूम जाना है, अब मेरे को प्यास लग गई, अब भूख भी लगनी शुरू हो गई है. All that happens, still you are not in the flow state of your work.
I think I've lost that flow state. I'll need to bring that back. A lot of distractions, a lot of things. So sometimes we lose that flow state, I guess, because always we are moving here and there. Or I can bring my job as where I need to move a lot. Use that as a suppose, yeah, business or something where people love to move and interact. Property dealers, so many. I'm not able to think, but can be many. Yes.
Hmm.
It's
एक
about
एक
bringing
एक
your
एक
power back.
सॉरी अबाउट दैट. मेरी डॉटर का आज बर्थडे है, तो मैंने बैलून डेकोरेटर को नीचे बुलाया हुआ था. तो मेरी जो दूसरी डॉटर है, शी इज चेकिंग ऑन हिम कि ठीक है कि नहीं. तो उसका कॉल आया था कि ठीक देख लो और कुछ तो नहीं करवाना है.
Okay. So wish her a very happy birthday from us. God bless her.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Happy
So we'll
birthday.
not take your much time, but मैं कल पूछ लूंगी मुझे जो बोलना है. आप you go
मेरी
now.
बेटी अभी आई नहीं है, स्कूल में है.
अच्छा, you want to go and check no decoration.
कल को नहीं, उसने मेरे को वीडियो कॉल पे दिखा दिया नीचे जो बड़ी वाली डॉटर घर पे है. तो
अच्छा.
Okay.
तो जैसे आपने बोला जैसे विकास सर ने बोला कि यू सी द टू थिंग्स विच यू कैन डू टुगेदर, जिससे कि वो वॉक करते हैं और वीडियो बनाते हैं. बट वो पैटर्न मेरे लाइफ में ऑलरेडी है, तो मुझे वो पैटर्न ब्रेक करना है. जैसे कि इफ आई एम वर्किंग ऑन क्रिएटिंग अ वेबिनार स्क्रिप्ट, ठीक है, और एक इम्पोर्टेंट कॉल आ जाता है. इट इज अ डिस्ट्रैक्शन बट इट इज समथिंग दैट I can't miss that call also, and I can't means मुझे वो कॉल पे बात करनी ही है.
No,
और
these are
but
not the two. These are similar kind of things that are truly important that needs full concentration for you. It is
yes,
not the way that it goes. It is like you are cooking and you are listening to a podcast.
वो होता है बट जब भी अभी सपोज आई एम सिटिंग फॉर सम ओके राइटिंग अ स्क्रिप्ट या डूइंग सपोज सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट करना है बट उसके बीच में मुझे और एक काम याद आ जाता है जो कि इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू चूजिंग लाइक मैं आपको ये इसलिए बता रही हूँ क्योंकि ये बहुत हर चीज में मैं यही पैटर्न ऑब्जर्व करती हूँ आई एम डूइंग वन थिंग आई गेट अ क्लिक दैट आई नीड टू डू दैट ऑल्सो एंड फिर मैं वो काम कर लेती हूँ देन अगेन आई कम बैक टू फर्स्ट
So
तो
what you need
ये
to do is,
Yeah, half an hour task. Like, don't get up till half an hour thing.
बट ऐसे नहीं होता है ना कुछ अर्जेंट आ ही जाता है और ये एक इट इज नॉट वन डे थिंग इट इज ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे थिंग एंड इन एवरीथिंग आई डू मतलब ऐसे नहीं होता है कि एक ही चीज में होता है इट्स अ पैटर्न इन ऑल थिंग इसलिए मैं अभी ट्राई करती हूँ कि वॉट एवर आई एम डूइंग आई डू कंप्लीट वन टास्क एंड देन शिफ्ट टू अनदर ये भी ट्राई करती हूँ बट ऐसा होता ही नहीं है दैट आई गिव 100% टू वन थिंग
so what you need to do is stay focused. अगर दिमाग में कोई नया काम आ गया है, write it down. When you write it down, you tell yourself, I'm parking you for 10 minutes. Let me complete this task and then I'll come to you.
ओके
क्योंकि जब आप एक काम कंप्लीट नहीं कर रहे हो, दूसरे पे जा रहे हो, योर माइंड, योर सोल ऑल्सो नोस कि अगर मैं दूसरा आइडिया दूंगी ना इसको, जूही को, शी विल स्विच टू द अदर जॉब एंड दिस विल रिमेन बीच में। फिर वो करके आके फिर ये करेगी। You have to tell your own self, your own subconscious, कि what I am doing is very important right now. I will finish off with this and then I'll come back to the next thing that whatever my mind is throwing on to me. The mind is very smart. It is like a trickster. कि मैं अभी
Yeah.
ये ना फ्लो स्टेट में जाने वाली है, इसको मैं कुछ तो ऐसा भेज देता हूँ।
No, I think I also can imagine the same thing. Like अभी होगा ना कि मोबाइल का थोड़ा सा काम रहता है. Go and buy this some thing for new mobile, and then another will be also piled up for us, that form one. Then I'll think which one to do. So maybe that same. She's first. I was thinking,
Yes.
do we just relax and okay, let it be the way it is, or acceptance of the things.
नहीं,
Sometimes that also helps.
दिमाग का काम है आपको कहीं ना कहीं ऑक्यूपाइड रखना, और उसका
Mm-hmm.
काम ये भी है कि आपको डिस्ट्रैक्टेड रखना।
Yeah,
जब
keep
तक
in
आप अपने
mind.
माइंड को ट्रेन नहीं करते हो कि मैं ये जो शुरू करा है मैं खत्म करके ही यहाँ से उठने वाली हूँ।
Like Karishma could have gone now to see एक बार देख तो आऊं ठीक हो रहा है कि नहीं, but you did not go whole hour. Work was being done. She knew how to delegate it.
एग्जैक्ट सेम टाइमिंग था, 2 बजे लड़के ने आना था, 2 बजे
Yeah,
मेरा सेशन था।
she knew how to delegate and she trusted that my small younger daughter, or I think younger daughter you have given, right?
बीच वाली देख रही है,
हाँ.
यंगर वाली का बर्थडे है।
Wait, how many daughters you have?
I have 3 daughters.
Wow, I was not knowing about it. How old are they? I mean, they are grown-ups.
Yes, my oldest is going to be, she's 19 की होगी I think. हाँ, last year 19 की हुई थी।
Good,
The
good.
middle one, she's 16 years old. She will turn 17 this year. And the youngest one, she has turned 14 today.
Wow. Yes.
14, 17, 19. Yeah, all are teen.
सबके teen है, सब teen है।
14, 17, 19.
Chalo,
Teenager.
before Brian
Good.
Tracy ends this chapter, he has given 2 main points to reflect on yet again. And they are, point number 1 says, identify your most important goal in your life today. What is it? What is one goal, if you achieve it, would have the greatest positive effect on your life? What one career accomplishment would have the greatest positive impact on your work life? ठीक है? And point number 2 says, determine one constraint, internal or external, that sets the speed at which you accomplish your goal. Ask, why don't I have it already? It's a very powerful question. What is it in me that is holding me back?
I think we can put this page or a screenshot in the
लो
group.
screenshot लो.
How
क्या
to,
करूं?
I don't know.
I have taken.
Yeah, we can put in the group.
What is it in me that is holding me back? Whatever you answer, your answers, take actions immediately. Do something, do anything, but get started. If you let the idea be there, solution be there, it's not going to work. It's going to fly away to somebody else. If you want to take the advantage of the solution that your head is telling you, take immediate actions. बेशक एक छोटा सा action start कर दो, but do start taking the action. Okay? All right. With that, thank you for joining in. We will be meeting tomorrow at the same time to read the next chapter of the book. That will be chapter number 14. है ना? Yeah. Okay. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you.
I hope you crack the code. And I hope you loved the session, Amrita. And I wish to see you tomorrow as well. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.